WordPress is world's leading content management system, whereas OpenAI is gaining a lot of popularity due to its AI-enabled chatbot, which is called as ChatGPT. Now you can incorporate your ChatGPT within your WordPress with these top three free plugins. The first one and my favorite is AI Engine. This AI engine adds a ChatGPT style chatbot with a short code, and you can choose from full screen, pop-up, and Windows modes. You can also brainstorm new titles and content ideas with it. You can quickly generate WooCommerce product description. Plus, you can access a variety of AI tools, including a text corrector, translator, and even restaurant review writer. You can also monitor your OpenAI usage with built-in statistics. All you need to use this AI engine plugin is an OpenAI key, and you can obtain this OpenAI key from OpenAI's website for free. And as I mentioned earlier, this plugin is totally free. Now the next one is Iomatic. Iomatic is yet another good plugin, which which is an AI-powered content writer plugin that automatically creates blog posts for you. You could use it to write product reviews, provide topic ideas, update old posts with fresh content, and much more. You can select between Iomatic API or OpenAI, and the plugin will put content directly from these services. You can also use keyword replacer tool to automatically create affiliate links for specific keywords. You can insert shortcode or Gutenberg block into your post and pages to create AI generated content. And then another great feature is that this tool can automatically generate a featured image for the post sourced from the royalty free images like sites like Pixabay and Pexels. This plugin also enables you to rewrite published posts according to your requirements. Now, one of the things with this one is that it's not free, Iomatic. It is the regular license cost around 49 US dollar, which includes 6 months of support. Okay, the third and last WordPress plugin for AI is Content Bot AI Writer. It is quite powerful. This plugin connects your site to the AI Writer web app so that you can generate ideas and content within your WordPress dashboard. This content bot uses OpenAI's GPT-3 model, and once you have installed your plugin, you'll need to enter your API key to start using it. You can summarize long content into digestible chunks with it. You can generate talking points, outlines, and topic ideas. You can even change the tone of your copy. Plus, you can create a value proposition for your product. This plugin itself is free, but you would need a content bot account. And the starter plan and content bot cost around 19 US dollars per month. So as you can see, my favorite is AI engine because it is free and does most of the things which other do. So unless you have a very huge requirement, mm, uh, if I were you, I would stick with AI engine, but that is just my personal opinion. I hope that you liked the content. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.